Student, today I have to discuss with you the topic mechanism of complex reaction. Earlier we have already discussed two types of reaction. One is elementary reaction that takes place in one step, and second one is complex reaction that takes place in more than one step. So whenever we consider a complex reaction, it takes place in more than one step, in which one step will be slow and rest of the steps will be faster. So the slowest step of the reaction will be taking for the determination of rate law. So here we consider a reaction such as 2NO2 plus F2. This gives 2NO2F. Now, for this reaction, rate law is given as rate equal to K into concentration NO2 into concentration F2. Now we have to write the mechanism of this reaction. This is the question like this. So whenever there is a question on how to write mechanism for the given reaction, there will be a reaction along with rate law for the reaction. So here is 2NO2 plus F2 that gives 2NO2F. For this reaction, rate law is rate is equal to K into concentration NO2 into concentration F2. So for writing the mechanism, first of all, we consider the rate law that is given in the question. According to rate law, 1 mole of NO2 and 1 mole of F2 are participating in the chemical reaction. So we have to write 1 mole of NO2 plus 1 mole of F2. This gives NO2F according to the product plus F. Here we don't have to balance this reaction by taking any balancing factor in the reactant, because in rate law 1 mole of NO2 and 1 mole of F2 are used. That's why here I have taken 1 mole of NO2 plus 1 mole of F2. That gives NO2F plus F is written here because for complete balance we must write F. So once again we can write NO2 plus the remaining F. This is NO2F. Now first step is slow step. This is slow step. Why slow step? Because this step comes from rate law. So rate law is determined by slow step of the reaction. That's why first reaction is slow step of the reaction. And again we take NO2 plus F. Why we take NO2 once again? Because we have to take 2 moles of NO2 altogether. So 1 mole I had already taken. That's why again I will be taking 1 mole of NO2, so that altogether it will become 2 moles of NO2. And this F which is coming in the product, that is used up here because we don't need F. So this is used with NO2 to form NO2F, but this is fast reaction because we have already discussed in a complex reaction one step is slow and the rest of the steps are fast. So this is first step of the reaction, and at the same time this is mechanism of the given complex reaction. If we add them up, we will be getting the required reaction that is given in the question. If we add them up, then this F and this F cancelled out. We will be getting 2 mole of NO2 plus 1 mole F2, and in the product we will be getting 2 moles of NO2F. Very easily you can do it. Or sometimes there will be reverse question. You will be given mechanism for the reaction. This will be the reaction. These two mechanism parts will be given to you in the question, and the real question will be how to write a rate law from the given mechanism. So for writing rate law, we have to see the slow step of the reaction, because slow step of the reaction is taking part in the rate law. So this rate law can easily be written. Okay. Now another question is very important question. Perhaps this may be the NCERT question. The question is, for the given reaction, reaction is 4HBr plus O2. The product is 2Br2 plus twice H2O. For the given reaction, the rate law is rate is equal to K into HBr into O2. Again, rate is equal to K into concentration HBr into concentration O2. This is given in the question. Now, what will be the mechanism? Mechanism is what? So this is NCERT question, and we can have the solution for this question similar to the previous one. So its solution is like this. First we consider the rate law, and the rate law gives us the slow step of the reaction. In rate law, it is clearly written that 1 mole of HBr and 1 mole of O2 combines together to form HOOBr. HOOBr is the part of peroxide. The part of peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is written as HOOH, so in place of H it is Br. So this is in the peroxide form. Now, in second step, so this one is slow step because this comes from rate law. Now in second step, we have to use HBr, but this HBr in how many moles? 1 mole I have already taken. Then remaining 3 moles will be taken in the first step, and this HOOBr is again used here with the reactant, and the final product will be Br2 plus H2O, and if it is to be balanced, then I think it is well balanced. So this is fast reaction and this one is slow reaction. So this is mechanism of the given reaction. So we have lot of questions based on how to write mechanism for the given reaction if the rate law is given. So is there any problem? You can ask me once again in the doubt class, and I hope you will do more and more questions on mechanism. So next time we will discuss other topics. Okay.